Hi, bestie. It is Friday, and it's Faith and Finances. I got $20 that I will be cash stuffing today to go towards my Faith and Finances. So, if you're a cash stuffer, you believe in faith-based savings challenges, this video just might be for you. So I will be doing the 52-week savings challenge that's in here. And just in case if you're new here, when I do the 52-week savings challenges, I do apply it to my other challenges that I got from off of Ko-Fi. So I just have to decide on which amounts that I want to work on today. Alright, so I think what I'm going to do is I think what I would do today is $2, $3, and let's see what that's $5. And let's see what other amounts I could use. 7 and 8? 7 plus 8, 15. Yeah, so that would total $20. Let me write this down real quick so I don't forget the amounts that I need to mark down. Let me know how you're doing in the comments. Alright, so it's $2. What did I say? $2, $3, and I said I was gonna do which one? $7 and $8. Yeah, I'm jotting it down because I would totally forget. And that will cover up 4. So I'm getting close to finishing my 52-week savings challenge here. And this book is available on Amazon, but I do have the printables available as well. But the printable is on white paper. Alright, so I'm going to have to break this $20 down because I will be doing a roll and save today with the saving challenges that I have. Like I said a few minutes ago, when I do the 52 weeks challenge, I do use some challenges that I got from off of Ko-Fi. And I'll make sure to list all of those ladies' information in the comments if you're looking for some faith-based savings challenge. So I do have some completed challenges that's in my cash envelope binder, and I will use that to break down what I need so I can do my roll and save. So how are you doing today? Hopefully all is well with you and yours. So yeah, these are the challenges that I'll be working on, but here are the challenges that I did complete already. And let's see which ones I can use. Alright, so this should be $10 there, and I need to pull $10 from this one, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Alright, let's place these together, and I'll place the $20 here. Alright, and that will help me to complete some of the challenges that I already started with my faith and finances. Let's count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Alright, so that is $20. And I did end up buying some number clips to add to my binder so I won't have to always take the challenges out of my system. And so I want to go ahead and place those number clips on these cash envelopes. But first I want to start off with some scripture. So I've been reading the book of Galatians, and I want to read, this is one of my mom's favorite, the fruit of the Spirit. And so I just want to go ahead and read that. Okay, and this is what the 5th chapter of Galatians, and it says, but the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, long-suffering, gentleness, goodness, faith, meekness, temperance. Against such there is no law. And they that are Christ have crucified the flesh with affections and lusts. If we live in the Spirit, let us also walk in the Spirit. Let us not be desirous of vainglory, provoking one another, envying one another. And I thought this was absolutely perfect. And I'm currently working on something with the fruit of the Spirit. It just took me to the place of the years with my mom. I don't know, it just brought back so many memories, and I don't know, I've been working on something, and I'm just really, really excited about that. So, I'm excited about the fruit of his spirit, and it's just a reminder of how we need to be. Alright, so let's get to these challenges where I can add these clips. And if you're interested in these clips here that you can add to your binder, I have the information in the description, but I thought they were just so cute and perfect. Alright, and I'm not sure, I can't remember the highest number that they go to, these little clips here. It's copper. And I'm just gonna place, I think I'm gonna just do 6 of the numbers, because typically I do 6 with my faith-based cash stuffing, because I do have the 6-sided dice that I'm able to do that. So let me just place these on there. And hopefully, they work the way I planned for them to work, and they stay within my cash envelope binder and not fall out. But I will tell within probably the next month to see how I'm going with these clips that I'm adding. But yeah, I thought these was cute. And I saw some other ones too, but I'm kind of glad that I got these here. Let me move this over. Let me move the other ones over. I don't know why I didn't do that when I first started placing them in here. Alright, so that is those. I got a couple more and then I'm done. Hold up. Okay, here's some here. Yeah, add these. So how your week been going for the week? Let me know in the comment. Hope that all is well. Alright, so we're almost done with this month. Oh, and I had this challenge. Let me go ahead and place one on here. Not sure if I would get to this, but I'm just go ahead and place the 7 on here. If I have something left over, maybe I'll just apply it to that. Alright, so now I have all my numbers on my cash envelope, so when I roll and save, well, you know what? I probably should remove the 7, because like I said, I am doing 6-sided dice. I'm just leave it there for the time being. Alright, so that's all the ones that I will place a number on, but it looks like it has 12 of these in here. So if you're interested in it, check my description. I have a link for this. And it wasn't expensive neither, so it's cost effective. Alright, so I have to get my dice, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I got my dice, and now I'm just gonna roll it, and then when I roll it, that's the cash envelope that I placed $2 on. And hopefully all of the envelopes get something. We shall see how my rolling goes for today. Alright, let me place that there. Okay. Got 4 this time. I have 4 again. Let's see. I got 4 again. That's crazy. Okay, I got 6, and I've done 6 before. I think next time when I do this, I'm gonna do a spicy, where I have different increments. So I got 3. So that's good. So I only need like 3 more. I got 3 again. I mean, this is being consistent. When I roll a number, I roll it again. Alright, so I got 5. So I don't think I placed anything in the first envelope or the second one. Alright, so I got 4 again. 1. Alright, so that's it. So it looks like number 2 is the only one that didn't get anything this week. But make sure you have your pen and paper so I can let you know who I have saving challenges from that I'm using at the current moment. So you can jot down their names so you can check out their page. So I have $2 for this one, and this challenge here is from Budget with Elma. Strength and faith. I can do all things through Christ, which strengthens me. And that's from the book of Philippians. Love this. Alright, so I think I need to go ahead and write on here that I'm going to do $1 each. And I think I'm going to go ahead and use my dot markers to mark the challenges for the week here. And I think I'm going to use the blue on this challenge. Okay, so I got that. And I'm making sure that I write the amount on, because I think last week or the week before when I did some of my challenges, I couldn't remember the amounts that I had allocated for each icon. And I think I kind of messed myself up. Alright, so let me get the blue here. I don't think I've used this blue before either. Let me get a piece of paper so I can dot it and get the ink flowing through it. Okay. And that's one thing with the dot markers, you have to get it to activate. Alright, so now the ink's coming out. Before I can go ahead and dab 2 of these hearts for this challenge. Oh, this blue looks perfect on this challenge right here. Cool. Alright, so this is my first time doing this one here. Like I said, this is from Budget with Elma, so check out her YouTube page. And also, she does have a Ko-Fi shop where I got this challenge from. So if you need something faith-based, she has other products as well that you can check out. Alright, so I wasn't able to save anything for Cynthia this week. Okay, so this next challenge I saved $4. And this is a challenge that I've created, so I need to get my gold marker. I don't have a gold dot marker here. But the God Love Me, like I said, this is available on Ko-Fi as well as a bundle. And I think I did do $1 each on here. So let me go ahead and color in 4 of the circles. And then I'm almost done. I should be able to finish this in a couple of more weeks. But if depending on sales, I might just go through and complete all that I can. Alright, so this is available in my Ko-Fi shop. And I have some other faith-based too if you need some freebies. I typically use my Ko-Fi shop as freebies. And I've been adding printables in my Etsy shop. Alright, so for this one here, hold up, this one got all the money, $8. This challenge right here with the black gold Texas tea. This challenge here I got from Miss Sadi. Now this is not a freebie. This is something she gifted me. So, but she does have some challenges in her Ko-Fi. So make sure you go to Miss Sadi YouTube page if you're not already subscribed to her. And support her channel, and let her know that I sent you over there. Even with Elma, let her know that I sent you over to her page if you've never been over there before. So I need to color in these mugs, and it looks like I'm almost halfway through with completing the challenges on this one from Miss Sadie. And Miss Sadie does have some faith-based challenges as well in her Ko-Fi shop. Alright. I'm almost done. And I do think I might have an opportunity coming through. I will keep you posted if you pray for me. Thank you so much. If you pray for my daughter, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. And I enjoyed the engagement and the comments. Alright, so this one is done. And let's see what I saved in the next one. I was thinking that I wouldn't be able to pull the challenges off with the clip, but I can still pull them out even with the clip. 'Cause I was thinking as I was placing the clips on the envelope that I would have to remove them, so I don't. Alright, so I got $2 for this one. And this is a freebie that I created. Alright, so let me get my dot marker activated so I can mark 2 of these circles. Cool. Man, I do like this size dot markers here, especially with these type of circles. I don't have to color in. I just dab it and keep it going. That's working smart. Alright, so I have a while before I complete this challenge here. So hopefully I'm able to complete this one in May, maybe. Unless some more orders come through where I can do it. Alright. And let's see. Alright, this one here. I have $4 for this one. Okay. And this challenge right here is from Blessed by Abigail. So it only has 4 icons on here. Oh wow, I just started this one, and so I'll be able to finish this one today. But yeah, check out Blessed by Abigail. She has a YouTube page as well as a Ko-Fi shop. So I'm gonna have to add additional challenge window. I can remove the one that I had on 7 to this one since I completed this challenge. Alright, so marking all of these because I'm done. Now that was quick. I think that was the quickest I've ever done with one of my faith-based challenges. Alright. So that is basically it for today. I have to update my planner on how much I saved today, but that's basically it. And I want to thank you so much for joining me in today's Cash Stuffing. Hopefully you had a blessed week and hopefully you have a blessed weekend. Alright, bestie. Toodles!